Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning what is the use of these switches in calculator. Okay, you can see here this up arrow, down arrow and center is 5/4. And what is the use that if you set it to this up arrow, it will show the round figure. And if you set 5/4, it is showing the correct figure. We will set to this 102%. Okay, then we just multiply 6.5 into 5. So the answer is 32.50. In the use case is that sometimes egg rate are 6.5, then we will use in that right in this method. So 6.5 into 5 is equal to 32.50. That means 32 rupees and 50 paise. But nowadays the 50 paise is not working. In Google Pay it is working, but normally that's not working. So the retailers always take one step ahead and then down the figure. And we are set to this one to this up arrow, and we'll try once again 6.5 into 5. Then it will show the same method because of this point is here. But actually we reduce this point to 0 and we will try again 6.5 into 5. Then it will be show 33. So the next round figure. That's the use.